Miley Cyrus, also known as Destiny Hope Cyrus, is not just an American singer and actress, she is a cultural phenomenon. With a net worth of $160 million, she continues to astonish the world with her vibrant music and eclectic persona. As we step into 2024, Miley's journey is not just limited to her high-octane career but also encompasses her personal life and unique choices. Her bold fashion and unapologetic lifestyle make her an influential figure, but do you know the real secret behind her journey? In this video, we will take you into Miley's world, from her serene home to her thrilling dating life, and how her impressive wealth was built. This journey will be filled with insights that you won't want to miss. Miley was born on November 23, 1992, in Franklin, Tennessee. Her father, Billy Ray Cyrus, charmed America in the 90s with his hit, Achy Breaky Heart. Growing up in a showbiz family, Miley's inclination toward performance was evident from an early age. By the age of 8, she began taking acting and singing lessons, marking the first step in her career journey. Miley's first acting role was in her father's television series, Doc. In 2003, she appeared in Tim Burton's movie, Big Fish, as young Ruthie. However, her real breakthrough came with the Hannah Montana series, which became an instant sensation. This series not only made Miley a household name but also launched her singing career. The Hannah Montana soundtrack topped the charts in 2006, propelling her popularity even further. Miley signed a 4-album recording contract with Hollywood Records. Her debut studio album, Hannah Montana 2, Meet Miley Cyrus, was released in 2007 and further boosted her fame. Her music career continued to thrive, with albums like Breakout, Can't Be Tamed, and Bangers. Miley's successful singles include The Climb, Party in the USA, We Can't Stop, and Wrecking Ball. Miley Cyrus has also served as a coach and mentor on the reality singing competition, The Voice, inspiring a new generation with her experience and knowledge. Miley Cyrus's personal life is equally intriguing. Her bold fashion choices and unapologetic lifestyle have attracted considerable media attention. Over the years, Miley has challenged traditional norms, particularly during her Bangers era, which saw her push boundaries with provocative performances. Her infamous 2013 VMAs performance, featuring twerking and provocative dance moves, shocked fans and critics alike, showcasing her willingness to redefine her image. This approach has made her an influential figure and a source of inspiration for many in the new generation. Miley's music career has become her primary source of income. She earned $62 million just from digital singles, with her hit song, Party in the USA, alone generating $14 million. Recent albums, like Endless Summer Vacation, have further solidified her status as a musical icon. Miley's live performances have also been highly lucrative. The Bangers Tour grossed $62.9 million, and the Wonder World Tour brought in $67 million. However, she also mentioned that high production costs on some tours meant profits weren't always realized. Nevertheless, her overall touring success is undeniable. Miley's real estate investments reflect her financial acumen. In 2011, she purchased a $4 million home in Studio City, California, featuring hacienda-inspired architecture and a stunning pool. In 2017, she bought a 30-acre ranch in Nashville for $5.8 million, which she later sold in August 2022 for $14.6 million, netting an $8 million profit without making significant changes. She faced challenges as well, such as losing her Malibu home in the Woolsey fire and selling another Malibu property at a loss of over $800,000. However, her portfolio includes several high-value properties, such as an equestrian ranch and a new 7,000-square-foot home in Hidden Hills, purchased for $5 million and later sold for $7.2 million, resulting in a $2.2 million profit. Miley Cyrus has transformed from a Disney star into a multifaceted entertainer, with her net worth reflecting her hard work and diverse talents. Her ventures in music, acting, and real estate continue to grow her empire. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Your support empowers us to keep creating new projects.